So as the weather is getting colder and snow is starting to fall across, a lot of the country, we want to make sure that our kids are not only safe in their car seats, but that they stay warm too. The one thing that we want to avoid in this situation is a big, puffy winter jacket. And the reason for that is because those jackets take up a lot of space between the child and the harness. So one way that you can test this to see how much space they take up is go ahead and put your kid in their big puffy jacket, put them in their car seat, and harness them in, and tighten the harness and do the pinch test to make sure that the harness is properly tightened. Then what you want to do is unbuckle the harness, but don't do any adjustments to it. Take your kid out, take their jacket off, put them back in the car seat, and buckle the harness, but don't tighten it. And then do the pinch test again. Most likely you're going to find that that harness is really loose and needs to be tightened. And that's an indication that that jacket is too thick to be between the kid and the harness. And what happens in a crash with a big jacket like that is that as the child moves forward in the harness, all of that space in the jacket actually compresses, and that can allow the child to be ejected from their car seat, which could result in serious injury or even death. So when it comes to traveling in the wintertime, the best thing to do is layer with thin layers, or your kid can wear a jacket like a fleece jacket or a sweatshirt. You can also use their winter jacket, but just put it on backwards after they've been harnessed in the car seat. That's a great way to keep them warm. You can use blankets too. So just keep that in mind as you're traveling in wintertime. No puffy jackets.